What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So, the Galaxy Z Flip controversy. Is it plastic? Is it glass? I saw two videos and I saw Jared rig everything, his durability test that he always do on a lot of devices, and he said it's plastic. And I saw that video and God forbid it's plastic in my eyes. Then I saw another video, a guy just kind of ripped it apart and he said it was some shards of glass behind the plastic. So is it glass? Is it plastic? Controversy. Look, I wasn't gonna make this video until I did a live stream talking about it, and a lot of people started hitting me in my DMs, Samsung fans telling me that Jared rig everything video is false and the other guy video was real. Let me give you my thoughts. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So plastic, is it glass? Is it plastic? Is it glass? Look, I watch both videos, and you know, me as an average consumer, when you're looking at a product that Samsung itself came across stage and said, we defeat the odds, we did something nobody else can do. We have a bendable glass phone. Right? They said this phone is made out of glass. This display is glass. I mean, look, listen to the comments. I want you to hear it for yourself. Check this out.
With this phone, we've done the impossible and created ultra-thin glass that folds. Now, you might think that a foldable glass would be brittle, but this glass is built to last. And it protects your screen from scratches. It's so durable, you can fold and unfold your phone over 200,000 times.
So as you just heard, they said it was glass. Glass. So we all know how glass is, right? I mean, glass is glass. And I thought that Samsung came up with some type of bendable glass technology that, you know, when you pull up glass, I mean, it is what it is. It's glass. And I thought for sure that the only way you could bend glass is through heat and through other type of technology. I am not a scientist, so I don't know. But you know, you put trust and belief in these companies to say, hey, we've made bendable glass that you can bend it 200,000 times. What? 200,000 times bendable glass. So, you know, obviously the phone is going to come out and we're going to see the phone. You're going to feel the phone. And the thing about it is, as an average consumer, even the techies, we all talking about how it's glass, how Samsung have innovated, have made a glass display that can bend. Well, did they really make a glass display that can bend? Look at that Jared rig everything video. I mean, he took his usual picks of hardness, and he took the pick number 2, the second one, and it scratched the display. I mean, really scratched the display. We all know that that usually when he do it with glass, it's always between 5, 6, and 7. So this was scratched at a level 2. And we all know that usually glass or Gorilla Glass or whatever is going to scratch with a hardness of 5, 6, and 7. So with that said, once he hit level 3 or level 4, I mean, it really started ripping up the plastic screen. So it bears the question, is Samsung using glass or are they using plastic? A lot of y'all guys started hitting me in the comments, and listen, I got a lot of DMs from Samsung fans saying that Jared rig everything video was completely false. He said it's plastic and it's glass.
With this phone, we've done the impossible and created ultra-thin glass that folds. Now, you might think that a foldable glass would be brittle, but this glass is built to last.
So when you look at how the Z Flip at a $1,400 price point coming out toting that it has a glass display, you may have to question whether or not Samsung is being truthful. Is Samsung being truthful? Is it plastic? Is it glass? Me as a tech preacher, look, man, first of all, let's make sure we understand something. If you DM me, you do not intimidate me. I will make whatever video I want. And that's the thing here. I wasn't going to make this video, like, you know, but people were DMing me, telling me that, you know, don't talk about it, let it come out and let people be the judge for themselves. And I know a lot of your guys might say this, well, Easy, You talking about it, but you know what? You don't have to buy it, right? Just pass on it and go to the next device. This is Easy Computer Solutions, and I'm the tech preacher, and I make tech videos and tech news videos. So yes, I have every right to make videos about product and stuff like that, even if I buy it or not. So that's the thing that a lot of people don't understand. You can't dictate what I do here on this YouTube channel. And look, here's the thing. Samsung could have said, okay, this is a newer type of plastic. We're gonna call it Glastic or something like that, or some type of form of hardened plastic or soft plastic or something that's better than the Galaxy Fold. But when you say that you know, saying all kinds of things about this is glass, we put a thin glass on this device, then people assume that you have innovated in like no other and bent and broke the laws of physics and say we can now bend glass this like this and bending it like that. And the problem that I have with it is that Samsung need to be truthful to their customers, to their fans, and the Samsung fans need to be truthful to themselves. So I saw two videos yesterday. I saw Jerry rig everything, then I saw another video saying that it was glass. Now, whether or not he was making that video towards Jerry rig or whatever, but I clearly read the comments, and most of the comments were saying that Jerry rig is wrong. He should pull a video, this, that, and other. I don't think he should pull a video. I believe that that video is proof positive, and he showed you with his fingernail and with tools that this display scratches, period. Whether or not it has a plastic coat on top of a glass, this display will scratch.
Every time you fold it, you're not just bending glass, you're bending the laws of physics.
So buyer beware. If you buy this device, please take care of it and give it a little special TLC. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about this plastic versus glass Galaxy Z Flip controversy. And listen, one thing about it, you can DM me all you want, telling me that I put my career at stake by talking about this stuff. Listen, man, this is Easy Computer Solutions. I'm the tech preacher. I say what I want, do what I want on this YouTube channel. There's nothing you can say or do about it. See you guys on the next video. Peace.